Well, I have a breakthrough. Last year, January, I was on the verge of quitting my business. I had sent out my CVs to people in Dubai and other places to find a job. I was thinking, what will I do? I'm not able to, kind of get the revenues that I have. Now I've started becoming a brand. How do I become a brand in India? I'm right now,
Amazing.
growing it at a very fast pace, and I don't want to slow down. I'm
That's
in
an
no mood to slow
elephant
down.
space in women. I'm in no mood to slow down. I love that.
I don't know how you managed to do that, but it just through the screen it comes to me, and I believe in energies a lot. So that's a beautiful thing, Seema. I was like this book which has no chapters. All the information was there, but there was no start, no stop, no categorization, no nothing. So yes, everything was there. But you say those things. Once you hear someone reaffirming those thoughts, the kind of feeling it gives is amazing. What I'm able to do now is I'm able to categorize. It's like chapters one day I realized. Now I am able to understand how to use them, where I can use them. But I've never implemented it. I didn't know how to implement it. I didn't know how to put it into use. So it's a very beautiful feeling.
I love your
empowerment, I thank you so much. Oh my God, so much grateful for your
big hug.
Hi, this is my first time on the Inner Circle. Actually, I had started in the last week of December. So I completed the course on 12th and I really saw a change in myself. Actually, I was on antidepressants for a while and I'm still on it. But seeing the change, the doctor was surprised as he's like, this is the least dose and you're still growing so much. So that's why I felt like this course changed a lot for me. And also one of the things was I was very concerned about my fitness, but I didn't do anything. And then suddenly after this course, I was so motivated. Every day I went to the gym and now it's just so good. Actually, my mother wanted to say something about my breakthroughs.
Actually, I am her mother now, but now I have handed her over to you because now you are her online mom, kind of.
Oh my God.
Because she listens to you more than me, basically, now. And I'm really happy.
As parents, as long as our children listen to somebody, we are happy, right?
Absolutely. And somebody so good and who can really take care and guide her in the right path, basically. So I'm so happy. Also, like, she is improving, she is doing. That is what I'm liking, that she's following what all you said. And she's, I think, left coffee and chocolates. So that was amazing, because these were the two things she could not do without.
Yes, Yuvraj.
This is about the institute, that I'm going to start with my alumni, my BITS alumni. And it is going to come up in April. And the work has been progressing in a great way, I would say. And this all happened, when I actually started getting into practitioner. And now the construction space is like almost 70% done. And there 30% is left. And we are looking for around 100 students in the first year. There was a lot of mind blocks when I joined practitioner. I admitted this to Vimal as well, where I was actually talking about coaching. And now, as this journey has been going on, I'm impacting people in terms of coaching also. And I'm getting into this place where I'm getting ready to serve a lot more students.
Everybody knows that I was a very straightforward kind of a person, and I was really, really very, pissed off with the fact that why am I so straightforward? Why do I just speak it up in front of everybody? I don't want to speak it up, and I was really, really working hard on it from the last 3 years. But from the last 15 days, I don't know what happened. So I was just reflecting, and I started visualizing myself. I went into that dissociation thing, and and then I saw myself doing it. And from the last 15 days, I have not done even a single thing, especially not to be straightforward or not to be rude, but it's coming automatically from me. After the conversation is done, I'm like, wow, how did I do this? And that is the magic of NLP. My general physician, after I did my NLP, when I went to him, so when I entered his clinic, So what he said to me, Anamika, what has happened to you? I said, why? What happened? So he said, your walk, your way of talking, your way of sitting, everything has changed drastically and you are looking so confident. What has happened? What have you done? I said, I have just done NLP and nothing else.
I'm enjoying each and every session. From my personal front, I'm doing well and I am attracting more clients in this last 1 week. And most because of, I think because I have increased my frequency, started doing exercises for self and taking good care of myself.
I was actually a very shy and introvert person, and I was really scared when I speak in front of even 5 or 10 people. If they ask me something, I am so scared to talk or express myself or to even to introduce myself. But day before yesterday also there was one book launch. So both of that program, I was the one who gave the vote of thanks. So that was my first ever public speaking platform, and I was speaking in front of 50 plus 80 plus people. And day before yesterday also, after understanding the concept of anchoring, so even before getting to the stage, I was quite nervous. So I did this anchoring, the circle of excellence that we have done. And after getting the stage, there was no fear at all. It was like it went out very smoothly, and I just opened my heart and expressed whatever thoughts came to my mind. And people said they really enjoyed hearing me. I was so confident that I didn't feel like I am talking for the second time on stage. It was just came so naturally.
Naturally. Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible, Varsha. Big round of applause.
You remember we discussed that a tree is growing and it's, the branches are moving out.
Yes.
And
How can I forget that?
So this is the second branch that has grown, and
Wow.
I never realized I have entirely changed my line of business. And somewhere with the NLP, which I have been always, doing it, or my self-talk, I challenged myself that where I am standing by end of 24, I'll be at least 10 times more, I'll be at least 10 times bigger. And this was what I was thinking from Diwali. A lot of new clients started getting attracted towards me. I started traveling to Bombay more often than what I was thinking. I bagged one of the biggest clients of my life. That guy is worth almost 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 crore guy.
Amazing. Wow.
So that's what NLP is helping me.